Are you in Lehigh Acres and need desktop repair services? Look no further. Our Lehigh Acres desktop repair service is here to help with all your computer needs. We specialize in a wide range of desktop repair services, from hardware fixes to software troubleshooting. Whether it's a virus removal or a hardware upgrade, our expert technicians have you covered. For your convenience, we come to your home or office, saving you time and hassle. Our mobile service ensures that you get the help you need without leaving your location. Worried about costs? Our Lehigh Acres desktop repair service offers competitive pricing. Get a personalized quote today to understand the cost of your repair needs. Don't wait. Call us now at 239-421-8187 or visit LehighAcresDesktopRepairService.com to schedule your repair. Experience top-notch service right at your doorstep. Choose Lehigh Acres Desktop Repair Service for reliable, convenient, and affordable desktop repair solutions. We're here to ensure your computer runs smoothly.